welcome to this little light meditation for mindful walking. Before we set off, take a moment where you're standing, and if it's safe, close your eyes. Then take a deep, cleansing breath in and out, and bring your awareness to your feet, exactly as they are in this moment. Feeling each toe, lifting them off the ground, and then planting each one down. Feeling your sole, your heel, how your socks and shoes feel, or if your feet are bare, how your foot feels against the ground. Then press your whole foot down into the ground. Sense or feel the energy of the earth supporting you. With a grateful heart and a soft smile, open your eyes and begin walking. Being mindful and completely aware of your surroundings throughout your walk, continue to notice your feet, aware of each step, the feeling of one foot setting down against the ground, heel to toe, as the other lifts into the air and then presses down in front, heel to toe. Feeling into each step, one foot down as the other lifts and then steps forward. Safely aware of your surroundings, pay attention to where your steps originate. Tuning into the rhythm of your stride, the steady rise and fall of each step. The sway of your hips, the swing of your arms, the action of your legs, your whole body propelling forward, still aware of each step. There are many distractions, and this not only takes practice, but it is a practice. So each time your mind wanders or you feel discouraged, be kind to yourself and guide yourself back to each step. Trying not to tune out your surroundings, it's important to remain safe throughout this practice. Appreciate the sights and sounds around you while remaining mindful of your steps. Take in the view while feeling into each step. Feel the weather on your skin while feeling into each step. Listen to the sounds around you while feeling into each step. And when your mind wanders, bring yourself back to the awareness of your step, taking it one step at a time, and keep it moving. Aware of your surroundings and your steps, not forcing anything to happen, not focused on the destination, enjoying the journey one step at a time. Allowing your body to move easily through this space, in this moment, noticing each movement, feeling each step. Continue practicing on your own, and when you've completed your walk, come to standing. If it's safe, close your eyes. Take another deep centering breath in and out, bringing your awareness back to your feet, exactly as they are in the moment. Noting any differences from the beginning of the practice, without judgment of one being better, just noticing any differences. Noticing how your socks and shoes feel, or if your feet are bare, how they feel against the floor. Feeling each and every toe, pressing them down into the ground. The sole of your foot, pressing it down. Your heel, pressing it down. Planting your whole foot firmly into the earth, grounding down. Once again, sensing and feeling the energy of the earth supporting you, supporting your every movement, your every step. And when you're ready, bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and gently open your eyes. The American poet Gary Snyder wrote, "Walking is the great adventure, the first meditation, a practice of heartiness and soul primary to humankind. Walking is the exact balance between spirit and humility." May you go into the rest of your day finding great adventure and balance in every step. And may your little light always shine bright. Namaste.